Hello band, this is Mr. Weir here, and we are picking up with our Bandroom Boogie. And today we're in our class, we're going to make sure to focus on measures 29 to the end of the song. If you haven't watched the first video where we've done measures 1 through 28, so watch that video first. Here's the second part. So make sure you have your instrument out, make sure you're warmed up, make sure you're ready to go. We've got one section that I think is the most difficult. So today, we're going to start looking at measure 37 first before we play 29, so that when we get to 37, you're all set with your rhythm. So here we go. First things first, I want you to clap with me, nice and easy. We're just going to clap the rhythm that you see at 37. The whole rest of the song, we have very steady quarter notes and eighth notes. And all of a sudden here at 37, this part just gets students a little bit. They mess up this rhythm just a little, and it just takes a moment for us to be like, oh, yeah, that's really easy. So let's clap it together. You'll notice we have a quarter note and then a half note. So we're going to hold that half note 2 beats. I'm going to say walk on the quarter note and half note on the half note first. Here we go. 1, 2, 37. Ready? Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 39. Ready? Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm holding out those whole notes. Do 37 again. 1, 2, ready and go. Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3, 39. Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab your instrument. See, I told you, it's not very difficult rhythm to play, but an important one for us to get right. I'm grabbing my trombone today, because trombones, you have a tricky part coming up in just a moment. Here we go, let's play it. I want you to pick any note, and don't change notes. So if you want to pick a B flat, if you want to pick a C, just play the same note, and do it right on that rhythm, just like we clapped. Here's measure 37, just play one note, and let's do it with the right rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, ready. Nice and easy. Very good. Do it one more time. Measure 37 through 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 38. Here's 39. 3. Now play the notes as written. Flutes, I see D, F, D, F, C, F, C, F. So practice that quickly. D, F, D, F, C, F, C, F. Okay, here we go. 37, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready. 1, half note, walk 38, 2, 3. Here's 39. Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2. Here's 37. Ready? Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3, 39. Walk, half note, walk. 1, 2, 3. And honestly, I think the rest of it's easy compared to that. All right? What I want you to do is, if you are not a drummer, go back to measure 29, and I want you to start playing as much as you can. We'll get to some of those tricky spots, so I'll be with you in a moment. Drummers, I need you to focus with me here for a minute. We need to make sure that we're getting the right rhythm. And so everybody else, take a look, 29 to the end. Start practicing some of those notes together. Drummers, let's look at measure 31, please. 31, play with me. 1, 2, ready, and walk. 2, 3, 4. Walk, running, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3. Good. Remember, we're only playing the notes that are going up. Any notes with stems down, those are going to be bass drum notes. So if you're playing like a full trap set, or if you've got a bass drum with you, that's fine. Go ahead and play along with those. But for right now, we're focusing on those snare drum parts. Go to measure 37, drums. 37. We've got some rests in here. So I'm going to keep counting walk and running for quarter notes and eighth notes. And then we'll rest on those important rests. Those are just as important as the notes. Here's 37. Ready? 1, 2, drummers only. 37. Walk, walk, rest. Walk. 1, 2, running, walk. Walk, walk, rest. Walk. 1, 2, running. 41. Walk, running, walk. 42. Walk, running, walk. 43. Walk. 2, 3, 4. 44. 2, 3, 4. 45. 2, ready. 46. Walk, running, walk. Walk. 47. 2, 3, 4. 48, 2, running, running, walk. Okay, so if any of that felt weird, as intermediate and advanced percussionists, these are not difficult rhythms, but it does take us looking at the music and making sure we're playing what's written. Sometimes percussionists and drummers get into, I'll play what sounds good. You use your ear. Oh, this is probably what's coming up next. And sometimes we do a pretty good job of guessing what comes next. But as we start learning this song, we've got to make sure we're playing what's written. So keep your eyes on the music and focus on that, okay? Everybody else, trombones. I want you to look at 29 and 30. Everybody else, keep practicing 29 to 40 to 49. Trombones, I want you to take a look at the positions at measure 29 because you do this important part twice. Remember, a solo is one person plays a part. A soli is one group plays a part. So at 29 and 30, trombones, you have a soli section where everybody else is quiet and the trombones play. You have the same thing, 33 and 34. Look at it. So we've got to make sure that we get the positions right on this one. Here it is. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Do it with me. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Again. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Okay, this time I want you to play it. Trombones, we'll start with that 1 on the F. So make sure your F sounds like this. And I'm going to play it on my keyboard, not on my trombone, just so that I can talk and play the notes at the same time. All right, here we are. Nice and slow, measure 29. 1, 1. That's about how fast we'll take it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Do it again, and make sure we're not slowly getting out to a 3 or slowly getting out to the 6. 1, 1, 3. Boom! Get there and play. Do it again. 2, ready, 29. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Then we rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest on 32. Here comes 33. Ready? Same notes. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so we've had it twice in a row. Last thing, trombones. Look at measure 36. Now we have a little scale going down. 1, 3, 4, 6, and we land on 1. Do it with me. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1. Again. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1. Here we go. Let's play it. Here's measure 36 trombones. 1, 2, ready. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1. Again, ready? And 36. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1. Okay? Attention, everybody. If you've been practicing, way to go. I want all of us now to start at measure 29. At measure 29, the band is going back and forth between trombones giving us a good bass and everybody else kind of doing a little echo. Okay, so everybody hits at least one note on 29 and the trombones keep going. And then everybody's going to answer after the trombones play. So we're going to take it slow. Here's measure 29. I'm going to call our parts trombones and everybody else. So flutes, clarinets, saxophones, trumpets, you're everybody else. Here we go. Measure 29. Do your very best. Everybody plays one note on 29, but trombones, you've got this soli section. Here we go. 1, 2, measure 29. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all trombones. Now everybody else. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 32. Back to trombones only. 1, 2. Measure 34. 3, 4. Everybody else, 35. 36, trombones, 2, 3. Now our weird rhythm starts right there. So let's hold on for a minute. Do that again, 29. This time when we get to that weird rhythm at 37, we'll keep going. Here we go, 29, a little bit faster. This song's gonna go fast. We're just kind of taking our time at first to make sure we're playing it right. Here we go, 29. 1, 2, ready, 29. Trombones, 2, 3. 30, 31, 32, 33, trombones only, 34, here's 35, everyone else, 36, trombones, now 37, half note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 39, 40, 2, 3, keep going, 41, 42, and there we go. Good, I'm gonna stop us right there. I'm sure you wanna keep going. I want us to keep going. Let's figure out what we're doing band-wise instead of just your part. At 43, everybody hits at least one note right there on 43, so give us a nice strong note on 43. But flutes and clarinets, you have a one measure soli section. So everyone else is quiet and we hear flutes and clarinets. 44, then we hear trumpets only. 45, trombone solo. 46, drums, walk, running, walk, walk. And then at 47, we're all back in. So what I need you to do is focus on your rests, because you'll have your little part that you play, and then suddenly you rest for a measure or two. Saxophones, you play once at 43, and then you wait 44, 45, 46, while everybody else takes those turns, and then come in strong with us at 47. Okay? Here we go. 43. Everybody plays at least one note, and then flutes and clarinets, this is your big moment. Here we go. 43. 1, 2, ready, 43. Flutes and clarinets. 44, trumpets. Trombones. Then drums, 2 and 3, 4. Here's 47. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48, 2, 3, and 49. And we get up and we get off that last note, and that's it for our song. Do 43 one more time. If it was confusing, don't worry. The more you do it, the more you'll get it. Don't forget our magic key word in band. The magic word for you is yet. I think I might have explained this in another video. If I haven't, remember, the key word for you is yet. If you say, I can't do that, I can't play those notes, then you're done. Oh my word, that's debilitating. That's ruining to your ability to play music. But I can't play that yet. I can't hit that note yet. I can't get that rhythm yet. That means with a little bit more, it's coming. You're going to get it. All right, so here we go. You might not have it yet, but we're going to get it. Here's 43. Ready? 1, 2, ready, 43. 1, 2, 44 trumpets. 45 trombones. 46 drums. Walk, running, walk. 47, ready? 1, 2, 3, 48. Walk, walk, running, running, 49. And the song's all over. Whew. Okay, back to 29. Let's do 29 to the end of the song. And again, we're going to take that speed up just a little bit. All right, if you make a mistake, something doesn't quite go right, keep going with us because this is the band going all together. 29. Everybody plays trombones. Here's your soli section. 1, 2, 29, 2, ready. 1, 1, 3, 4. Everybody, 31, 32. Trombones, 34, 35, 36, 37. Walk, half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk, half note. 1, 2, 3, 41. 43, flute, clarinet. 44, trumpets. 45, trombones. 46, drums, running, walk. 47, 2, 3, 48, 2, 3, and 4, and off. Woo! If you need help on that, just rewind the video, watch that part again, and obviously as we pick up that speed, it gets a little bit trickier, but you might not be able to do it yet, but you'll get there. Okay. I want to go back to the very beginning of the song and play our entire thing. I'm going to set up another video that is just an accompaniment video so that you don't have to go through all these individual rehearsals of sections, and you can just use it to play through the entire song. And I'll probably speed that one up even a little bit more. For now, let's go back to measure 1. We're going to play all the way to measure 49, and it'll be just a tad slower than that one where you're totally ready to play the whole song, how fast that one goes. Measure 1. You ready? Drums, watch out. You've got that rest, first beat. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody else comes in on 1, and you come in on 2. Drums, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So don't be distracted when everybody else plays that first note. Measure 1. 1. Good luck. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Drum. Measure 2. 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, and 4. 9. Here's 10. 11. 12. 13. Flutes. 15. 16. 17. Clarinets. 18. 19. 20. Get ready, trumpets. 22, 23, 24, 25, saxophones, 27, half note, 28, 2, 3, 29, trombones, 4, 3, 4, 6. Everybody else, 31, 32, 33, trombones, 34, 35, 36, here's the weird rhythm, 37, half note, 38, 2, 3, and 4, 39, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 41, 42, 43, flutes and clarinets, trumpets, 44, trombones, 45, percussion, 46, 47, 2, 3, 48, 3, and 49. Whew. As you've just finished playing it for the first time, grab a pencil and circle maybe where you had the biggest struggle. It might be different for every single instrument. Flutes, maybe for you it was 13 to 16, where your big solo comes in. I think that's the trickiest part of the song. Maybe it's not tricky for you. Great. Clarinets, maybe it's our solo again, 17 through 20. Saxophones, perhaps look at 24 to 27. Trumpets, it might be 37 to the end, 37 to 42 in there. Trombones, I would say definitely 29, 30. Percussion, maybe the beginning where we have to rest right away and then we play on beat 2. Perhaps it's 37 to the end since every measure is a little bit different. So whatever it is for you, go there and circle it. And remember the key to getting good on your instrument. It's not just the word yet. It's going in there, finding that trickiest spot. The part where you, oh no, not this part. You know, we kind of freeze in our brains for a moment and we're, let's see if I get it right. And we hope for some good luck right there. Remember, go to that part. We're going to pull that out of your music and go beast mode. Play that 1 time, 2 times, 5 times. Do it with your eyes closed. Do it loud and slow. Do it loud and fast. Do it a whole bunch of different times. Do it not looking. Do it staring at the keys. Do it staring at your instrument until you're to the point where you can't get it wrong. You've done it so much, you're like, oh, this part, boom, and then put it back in the music. And the next time you get to that part in the song, you're not going to tighten up. You're not going to freeze and be worried. You're going to be like, oh, this part, here I go. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Woo! All right, that's going to really help you get better instead of just playing the easy parts over and over. And when that hard part goes, oh, I can't do this. You can't do it yet. We got to go beast mode first. Okay? Be on the lookout for that future video of Bandroom Boogie where I give you just that accompaniment so that you don't have to listen to all this other stuff. You can just play right away. But this was a good band rehearsal for Bandroom Boogie. Thank you for your attention, and I can't wait to hear you, band. Keep up the good work.